Greetings, members for all of the Salivation Nation, with an unboxing from Provident Metals. Let's explore what's inside of here. I'm really anxious. I've been kind of looking at this coin. I wanted to try to see what it is all about, and mainly because of the diameter. So let's explore! The diameter, I think, is something this will be, if it's what I've been told and what the website lists, then this should be pretty cool. It'll be the smallest diameter bullion coin and collector coin that I have accumulated other than the gold maple leaf. In fact, it's the same diameter as the gold maple leaf. So let's cut into this as such all the way down here. Pull the contents out here, shall we? Very good. Very well packaged. There we go. All the information is there. I'm going to cut. All right. Well, it looks like there it is. It is the Cook Islands Bounty coin, and it is the Bounty Gold coin in brilliant uncirculated. Comes in a capsule, which is really cool. Let's pull this thing out. But I don't think the diameter is right. So let's see. But it is a beautiful coin indeed, made of pure gold. Yeah, I don't think that. And we're gonna check that here. In fact, I knew I was gonna be wondering about the diameter of this thing, but I think it would be really cool if it was the correct diameter. But we're gonna pull it and compare it to a buffalo, a gold buffalo, and it looks to be the same diameter as a gold buffalo. So that was incorrect. I'm gonna have to let them know. I was really hoping would be the smaller diameter of 30.11 diameter, because I think that is a cool size. You know, it's thicker, it's more robust, but this is nice. But I was told wrong, and it's listed wrong on the website. This is Provident Metals, but this is a very nice coin indeed, and part of what attracted to me this, other than what I thought the diameter was going to be, is the design and the security features. This is a new type of galoche pattern, I believe, that I've not seen before in any coins. And so I wanted to kind of just get this coin because it's got a simple ship from the Bounty. And I think this might be a part of a series. They've done this coin in the past in silver. They actually do these also in the year 2024 silver as well. But I believe there's been other renditions of this coin in the past. I think there's a 2017 coin with its design on it. But it's just a very nice, beautiful coin and rendition. I like that the pattern is on the obverse with the queen as well as the reverse. And it's kind of just a unique, the way it flows up and down through there makes it. That's a very cool security feature, and of course the design really pops out. And since it's the background of the design that is actually frosted, and the design elements themselves are shiny. Now the lettering is actually incused, as you see here. $100, 1 ounce fine gold, $9.99. And it is very nice that it comes in a capsule. 2020. And I don't know. Let me see if this has a limited mintage here. It doesn't say anything on the paperwork. So I have to look on the website. But I believe it is somewhat. I don't know. I don't think there's a mintage limit that I know of. I can kind of check and see. Let me see if I can do something here and see if I can find it while I'm here. But just a beautifully done piece indeed. Let's see here. See if I can find it. But look at that pattern here. Just absolutely amazing. We'll get a kind of a close-up look as we scroll through this thing here to find the coin itself here. Very good. Yes, still available. And it doesn't show. It incorrectly listed at 30.1 millimeter. I think it's probably 33 millimeters is my guess. But I don't see a mintage on this thing. So it's just essentially a bullion coin. And it is that bullion price too. The price is fairly reasonable comparatively to other gold coins out there. I bought this on somewhat of a dip for gold. And it's priced basically back to where it was when I bought it. So another ounce to the stack though, which is nice to be able to accumulate. I haven't been able to do that in a while. So it was nice to be able to add this. And why not get something else with a little variety, something a little bit unique here from the Cook Islands. And that's what I was going for here. So let's again compare it to the Buffalo. You can see they are the same size. Much larger diameter, but it's not too wide. I think the Korean coins, I don't like the diameter of those. It's nice because you can see the design, but it's almost too thin. And this has a reeded edge, you can see there. It's pronounced there, but it's definitely not 30.1 millimeters. Really hoping it was. But it is nice to see the detail of the design. You can see more of that on it, for sure. But there it is. Very, very cool. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of another gold ounce. You know, I'm still trying to accumulate more if I can to the stack if possible. Trying to get to a particular goal, which I've not really revealed yet, but I'm still a ways off, I think. It's very difficult to count all of this, but because a lot of it is in different areas, and some of my gold is in collector coins that are in packaging that's stored differently. Different places. But this is 4/9 fine gold. So there you have it. All right. Gold. Very nice. So what are your thoughts? Is this a coin that you might be interested in adding to your collection? This is going to be something that will be maybe continued as a series. I don't know. Kind of would be nice if it was just a first off or one off only. I know they've done this shit before in a different form, I think in 2017, but I hope that they just make it just a one-off. That'd be nice. So post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.